Yeah. Papunta na yata doon. Okay. This is another hanging bridge. Ano? Nakakakaba?
Yeah. Kakaba ka ba?
Kakaba ka ba? Alright.
Hanging bridge na may carpet.
Doon kami galing. Pumunta kami doon. Lumabas kami dito. Pumunta kami doon. Sa kahoy na yun, lumabas kami dito. Ito naman. Another. Okay. Julian's Way.
Picture tayo dito. Picture lang kita dito.
So, anong nasa baba?
Diyan ka. Diyan.
Picturean kita dun. Picturean kita dun.
Lapit-lapit para medyo Andun ako sa taas.
Wait. Okay. Saan ka pupunta? Diyan muna. Okay. Akyat. Lumabas na ang bagong biak na no. Yung bagong biyak na itlog ng agila. Ang tunay na agila. Oh, Mackenzie Whiteface. Whiteface. Ah, yun nandoon ang Mackenzie and Whiteface.
Yung mountain.
Hindi makikita. Kita mo may mga ano kasi. Yeah, yung nandoon, no?
Yeah,
Yung nandoon.
na yan. Eh dito.
Hindi makita kasi may ano. Oh yeah? Anong nakikita mo? Ito na naman Mount Maurice. Yung nandoon Mount Maurice. Hindi lang makikita lang dahil sa...
Hindi ako makakalabas.
Sige.
Hindi ako kasya.
Ano, wag ka nang pumasok. Hindi ka pwedeng pumasok. Kalawang pa naman yan. Bata lang, bata. Ang mga tao sa Nova Scotia, mga ano sila, no, yung Greek, no? Ano siya? Dito, parang
Nahiya sila.
wala akong narinig.
Diyan ka lang.
Tagal naman. Patay doon. Ano ka baba?
Hindi ano tayo.
Ah, kasi ano, lalakarin mo rin. Ah, ito na yun, ma'am. Yung nasa picture. No. Sige, mang talon ka.
Spider.
Yung doctor.
Ano ka? Ano yun mo yung...
Sanali.
Hindi. Ako.
may spider?
Yeah. Ang tawag sa
Spin spider. Come on, spin ka doon na.
baka tumalbog sila sa langit.
Ayaw mo mag-spin?
You want?
No, ikaw.
Mommy, Mama, there's
Be careful.
flies. And what about the spiders? Then you're the spider. And Mama's the fly. Oh no. Mama, Mommy, you're the spider.
Oh, I'm a spider? I thought you said I was a fly.
But now you're a spider.
Yun mo yun nandun sa ilalim.
But I'm a spider. Yeah, when you get in.
Oh, we're all spiders.
I actually
Deodorant.
Did you know when I play spider games, somebody that gets into the web actually gets
Ano yun?
Move the fly down, move the fly and watch the web spin top. It's broken.
Ah, hindi. Namamagnet. Yeah.
No, I mean like the kind of
Siya, nagmamag. Nagmagnet na. Nakita niyo ba? Nag-move in action.
to go
Ano
like
ba bang
this,
overlooking?
fly.
Go get the fly. Go get it.
The easiest spot to bounce. The spider's getting the fly, Mom. No. You don't because I got
Ah, you got me.
Mama.
Good job. You got the fly. Is she a spider or a fly?
You could be the spider.
Spider. Welcome to the spider group.
You could be the uncle.
Uncle who?
And
Uncle
that's the
Spider.
fly. Uncle Joe.
Uncle Joe.
Oh wait, no, it can't be Uncle Joe because I already named my skeleton cat Uncle Joe.
Oh.
Oh.
have a skeleton.
Yeah, and then I was like when I get back with the great with when I get back with great Uncle Joe, then Tio and Millie are gonna be like, they're actually all cats, and they're gonna be like, oh my gosh, it's great Uncle Joe.
All right, buddy.
So fun.
You having fun?
You don't want to go?
No.
No. We're hanging out here. You want me to bounce it? Okay.
That's the end. So how was how's to be
Cool. Has to
A
be a spider. Tatay sa baba?
Bye.
Nakakatuwa siya. Hindi daw pwede kasi meron na pala siyang Uncle Joe na skeleton.
Nakita mo.
Ha? What roots?
Yung mga roots.
Ah, nasa gitna yun eh.
So it's not here.
Nandoon yun.
Doon ang daan.
Papunta kami sa roots. Roots. Si Auntie Roots. Pwede bang daan dito? Papunta kami sa malaking roots.